COVID, COVID, COVID-19. I'm begging of you, please don't touch my hand. COVID, COVID, COVID-19. Keep 6 feet away if you can. This illness is beyond compare. There is no TP anywhere. The canned goods and the ramen's bare. You'll see. Everybody seems so nervous. Walmart's just one great big circus. We cannot compete with you, 19. Schools are closed and daycares too. What are we supposed to do with these children now under quarantine? If 2 + 2 is always 4, then what's the deal with Common Core? They'll learn to carry the one if it's up to me. COVID, COVID, COVID-19. I'm begging of you, please go wash your hands. COVID, COVID, COVID-19. Please someone help me find the Lysol can. And gloves to masks to respirators. All nurses' meals are served through waiter. God bless the healthcare worker, 19. I had to have this talk with you. There's just 2 things you've got to do. Wash your hands and say your prayers, I plead. COVID, COVID, COVID-19. I'm begging of you, please go wash your hands. COVID, COVID, COVID-19. Please someone help me find the Lysol can. COVID 19.